Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry gin and tonic. Really tasty and refreshing cocktail. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need gin. I'm using a press today. Tonic water, fresh blueberries, fresh thyme, and some fresh lime juice. Alright, first I'm going to start by adding blueberries into a mixing glass. Then I'm going to add thyme. We're going to muddle this. Next we're going to add 1.5 ounces of gin. The juice of a whole lime. Then we're gonna add ice. Now we're gonna shake it. And finally, I'm just gonna top it out with tonic water. Now we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a blueberry gin and tonic. If you guys like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and until the next one, cheers!